Okay, so here is a quick presentation on the Omero downloader plugin. So first you need to click on the Omero link. This Omero link will bring you to the login of the GU. So enter your classical username and password, and you will need to do a two-factor authentication. So here I'm using Microsoft Authenticator. Once it's done, be sure to click Obtain a session key and copy this key. And then you can cut it, paste it in the key and click on Connect. This will connect you to Omero, and you can change a group if you are part of multiple groups. Be sure to wait a little bit when you load, when you're changing between groups, because it can take a little bit of time to load all the data. You can then click on the microscope in the date and select the data. Once you select the data, if you don't know exactly what it is, you can visualize. It is streaming directly from the server, so it will be a little laggy. To select the data to download it, you just need to double click on it. You have a color code. Green will be everything will be downloaded, and orange will be it will be partially downloaded. Be sure to select a folder where to download your data. You can check your data, which data will be downloaded in the download queue, and then after you just need to click on the download button. If you miss a step, like for example you do not select the folder, an error message will appear. After that, you just need to wait until the download is complete. Once you click the download button, you commit, meaning that you cannot really stop it. If there are multiple people in your group, you can change which data you are viewing if you have the right to look at their data. So here, for example, I'm looking at the data of Jens. Once you finish, just be sure to disconnect from Omero. It will invalidate the key, so you cannot use it anymore. Thank you.